Craig Irwin is a senior research analyst at Roth MKM, joining us with his take on things. Firstly, your reaction, Craig, to that 2,600 price target.
Oh my gosh. I first met Tasha, I think about 7 years ago. She was making hyperbolic statements about robo-taxis being 1 or 2 years away back then. Nothing's really changed. The compute, the energy cost on the compute is equivalent basically to the drivetrain energy to drive the vehicle. So it's a non-starter. I mean, if you're going to burn just as many electrons for the compute, if you can get level 4 to work, come on. It's a non-starter. There are some really big things that need to happen between here and there. The pitch back then was, hey, it's going to be an over-the-air software update for the entire Tesla fleet, and you'll be able to send your car out at night to go and make you money as a taxi. It's hyperbolic. It really, I think, is borderline reckless. I mean, actually, completely reckless.
So that just, I don't, obviously, it's one analyst versus the other, so I won't go deeper into that. But I do want to get your. No, I appreciate your view. The stock price is telling us something, right? We are in 2024. This is a price target from a 2029 perspective. The stock price is telling us something. It's down 26% year to date. Yesterday, in the regular session, was up 2.5%. Pair back those gains in the after hours, so it's flattish in the after hours. If we could bring up that chart for our viewers, that board. Was it really a situation of one day and done, and the market just moves on? Or is the market really latching on to this news in a big way? Whether it's the voters' conviction behind Elon Musk and his commitment to Tesla amid all the other things that he's doing, plus the
Musk, the Musk
movement
is Tesla,
of the
right?
reincorporation. Sorry.
Yeah, no, so Elon Musk is Tesla, right? And the pay package, it was, fair to expect that to absolutely be reapproved by shareholders. They approved it in 2018. The man took the company from 50 billion to $1 trillion plus, created a tremendous amount of value for investors, and it's fair to expect them to reward him. They agreed to reward him, and they agreed again today. That makes sense to me. The reincorporation in Texas, hey, it's not a surprise. I think Delaware went the wrong way for him. Hey, good thing for Texas and the future capital markets in Texas going forward. The key things out of the meeting actually were that the Tesla Semi is actually gonna start in production. They're gonna start delivering more of those, and that's been pushed for years and years at this point. So that's the one material positive out of the meeting. Everything else is just window dressing. It's like, cheerleading for, autonomous humanoid robots by the end of 25. And, that doesn't sound very credible to me. And then, obviously, ADAS and robo-taxis, which are really going to be cyber taxis. The word is it's going to be a lot more like the Cybertruck when we get to see it on 8.8. It's just, it's Musk and his traditional hyperbole playing to the retail base, and Tesla's a retail darling. So, he sings that song well.